Thomas and the Special Christmas Train. It was winter holiday time on the island of Sodor. Everyone loves the Winter Village Festival, especially when you hear the villagers singing Christmas carols. What a beautiful festival. Everyone loved the winter time, especially going to the village. Even Spencer and Stepney were visiting the Christmas holidays to help. Thomas loves the village. He takes them around the island, and he takes specials back to them. One day, Bertie the bus was driving on the icy road when suddenly he had an accident. He got stuck in the snow. Just then Thomas arrived. "Bust my buffers," he said. "Bertie, you alright?" "Can you take my passengers, please?" said Bertie. "I have to wait until Terence can get me out." "Of course," said Thomas kindly. Bertie's passengers climbed aboard Annie and Clarabelle, and Thomas set off. They arrived at the station just in time. The next day, Thomas was sheltering trucks when the Fat Controller arrived. "Thomas, I have heard that you've been helping Bertie the bus," he said. "I am very proud of you. You are a really useful engine. As a reward, you can take the presents train to the Winter Village for their new festival." "Oh, thank you, sir," said Thomas proudly. The line to the village was clear. Percy was taking all slow coats to the village, while Thomas was on his way to collect the special. There were lots of parcels for everyone at the village. Soon Thomas was coupled up and off he went. He was having a wonderful journey. Then there was trouble. There was a snowman on the tracks. Thomas had to stop. Soon, a gust of wind blew the snowman off the tracks. Thomas's track was clear and he puffed away again. Thomas was nearly there. At last, Percy and the villagers were very pleased that Thomas had arrived. They cheered and cheered. Thomas was pleased. Soon the trucks were unloaded and the parcels were laid under the Christmas tree. Thomas and Percy were enjoying listening to the Christmas carols.